but the body and the interior were all done when I bought it.
Wow, very impressive.
So I've just been updating a few things on it to bring it, you know, the period correct stuff on it, especially in the motor and the battery and stickers and that type of thing.
Trying to keep it as authentic as possible.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, good deal. Well, I appreciate it. It was nice to meet you.
Thank you.